Here you go. Juniper Networks just came out and gave a warning. Juniper Networks is going to lower their guidance. They just came out, and we said that we haven't had a lot of earnings warnings, but this is a bellwether, Juniper Networks, and it's getting taken a haircut. They lower their guidance. They see an EPS of 26 to 28 versus 34 cents versus the prior guidance of 32 and 36. That was their prior guidance, knowing that they could not live up to it. Not only that, they see revenues of up 1.11 billion versus 1.19 billion. That's a big shortfall. And prior guidance was for 116 to 1.22 billion, knowing they could not live up to those expectations. And as we said that earnings weren't going to totally collapse, but we don't believe that some of these things that have been marked up. Juniper's a good company, but there is a slowdown, and this will be the verifier. And another thing I will say, that WD-40 missed their earnings by 12 cents. You don't see them out of that, okay? Because you don't. Even though that they reaffirm guidance, but we're talking about Juniper Network. It is part of it, and we were shorting this one on the highs. That FFIB went up to 112.26 to 110.49, and they too will not outperform Juniper. And they are going to report next week, and this stock needs to come down. And this stock is printing, and had prints at 108 here in after hours, down $2. Now it's 108.74 by 109.94. And this was a short, knowing when these things got to come down. And any move up off of the volatility in this Juniper, I'll whack it short for a couple of dollars on Juniper Networks.